Hey everyone, Kyle, McPhee Motor Cars. It's RV towing season. We're gonna upgrade our 2020 Silverado Duramax with one of these, a Stealth Performance Products module. Stay tuned for an upcoming video. We'll show you how easy it is, and we're gonna show you performance results. All right, here we go. We're gonna run our first test. This is before the Stealth module, completely stock truck. We're up to operating temperature. Our criteria here is same quarter tank of fuel. I have it in auto, which is basically all-wheel traction control. We also have a satellite module. We're going to run this 660 feet using this GNSS performance analyzer satellite. Right now we're on 12 satellites, and we're going to give it a rip. Wide open throttle, and we'll post the results. All right, we're going to begin here. We've got our GPS ready to go to run 660 feet. In 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, Kyle back in the shop, or just outside the shop. We'll try to do this outside here. I think we got some rain coming, but I'm gonna try to beat the rain here. So what we're gonna do here today is take our Duramax and upgrade it with our, I take this out during the winter time because I had some warranty work done. I had gotten this last year and ran it during RV season, and it worked really, really well. And I want to reinstall it because I am getting ready to head out on an RV trip this week, and I want to have a little extra power and hopefully get a little better fuel mileage, because we all know how the price of diesel is right now. So what we're going to do is ultimately this module will be over here in this location on the firewall, velcroed. The switch, where's our selector switch? We got 3 different modes on this selector switch, and that will be mounted right up here as well, probably with some zip ties. And then these plugs here are going to get integrated into the fuel system right in this area here, and we'll neatly run all of our wires right through here with zip ties, and we'll show you the finished product here once we're done. But we'll just go ahead and start the install. All right, folks, we're going to start with the map here. I've got the factory one unplugged, and it's down here. Let me find it here so you can see it. There's our factory map. Okay, we're going to install the Stealth into the map, seat it firmly, push that clip, get a snap, and then check it for tightness. Okay, and then we're going to take the map from the truck, and we're going to put it into the map and get a snap. There it is, nice and firm on. Okay, map's done. Okay, next we're going to try to swap into the fuel system here with these 2 plugs. Okay, it's this one right here that goes on this little tab back here. I'm taking it off so we can see it. So what we're going to do is these little red things slide back, and then you got to press in front of them, and they come apart just like that. Okay, we're going to take this connector here, is going to go like that.
secure, nice little click. This one here should go like that, secure. All right, I'm gonna mount that back on this little tab. There we go. There we go. All right, turn that red tab back in there. All right, here's our fuel and our map, and we'll run those probably up and over so they're not laying on anything hot. I'll get some zip ties, tie it into the harness here. We'll go down along the air box where I like to put it out of the way. And then it's a matter of installing, and if I was off there, sorry, it's a matter of installing the module to the harness. And we're just going to go ahead and make that connection. Okay, nice and stiff. All right, all we have to do now is clean this up with some zip ties. I'm going to Velcro this right here to the inner fender with some industrial hook and loop. And I guess they don't like to say in the V word, you get sued. And then we'll mount the switch, and we'll explain what the switch is here next. All right, here we are. We have completed our install. We have zip tied all of our wires neatly here. I've got them up off the manifold here so we don't get a lot of heat into the wires. We ran them down in behind the intake vent here and around along the inner fender, and then over here, and I'll move the camera over a little bit here so you can see this. All right, what I did here is we did a hook and loop, double stripe hook and loop to mount it to the inner fender, but I always enhance my hook and loop with Gorilla Glue. So clear 4 just little pinhead things of Gorilla Glue behind the Velcro. Last season the Velcro started to pull away when it got hot, and when I got some salt up in there, it wasn't in very good shape. So we replaced it all, cleaned the fender, and reinstalled that new hook and loop in here, and it holds that Velcro, or holds that module really good there. And then it comes over and we mount our switch right here under the hood. I mean, you could run it through the firewall and make a spot for it inside. Maybe I'll do that eventually, but I know what I'm doing with my truck most of the time. I can pop the hood. Selector switch has got 4 different positions going clockwise here. There's a little tab at 12 o'clock. That's your stock settings. Low, probably where I'm going to put it tomorrow, is hauling heavy, and I'm going to haul a 36-foot RV, and that's where I'm going to set that. And then medium is light towing, you know, probably city driving type of thing. And then high, all the way to the right, is highway cruising. And so if I'm taking a trip somewhere, you know, without pulling something, I usually put it on that. But every day around town, medium, heavy tow, I'm going low. So that's what we're going to do. And we will show you the results once this thing cools down. I get it started back up, and everything is functioning as it should. We're going to go out and do that 660-foot hit again, just to see if there's any difference. We're supposed to have a little quicker spool on the turbos, and so I'm guessing our times should be a little bit better. But we will we'll put this probably in, I don't know, medium, I guess, medium location, and see what happens. Maybe we'll do all 3. Stay tuned. We'll be putting it out on the street here in just a minute. All right, we're back. We've got our Stealth module installed. We got the same criteria, same stretch of road, and we're going to go and see what we can do in the 660 here. In 3, 2, 1. We're going to do hit number 2. The first one was on medium setting. We're going to put it down into low, see how hard it pulls. So in 3, 2, 1. Hit number 3 with the selector switch in highway mode. In 3, 2, 1.